G'day guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we break down the charts every single day. So if you like money and you like crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get into the video. Now, before we do, I just want to play a quick clip from my last video. So we are likely going to get that momentum wave curve to the upside and give us that move up and also So guys, as you can actually see, in that last video from the bottom here, we actually called that move up exactly. So we predicted that, and now that's absolutely spot on. And if we actually measure that out, guys, from the bottom, when we pretty much called the move, we actually saw a 3% move up. With 10x leverage, that would have been a 30% trade you could have made. Now, where are we going from here? Well, we're actually seeing quite a lot of mixed signals in the charts. Right now, we are currently holding my blue box of support, and until we actually break down through this level, I won't be expecting lower lows until we do break past that wick that we did have down here. Now, if we look at our momentum waves on Market Cypher B, we can actually see in the short term we are printing that red dot in the short term. However, markets are looking very indecisive at the moment, and we could just see some more chop around here. But with that red dot printing, I am expecting to at least come down to the lows of this area, which I know is only a tiny move, but that is probably what I'm looking at in the short term, or at least down to that wick down here at the bottom, before potentially bouncing back up. And the reason why I'm not actually expecting to break through this blue box of support yet at the moment, guys, is if we actually have a look at the daily time frame. So we can actually see on our momentum waves on Market Cypher B, we're actually printing a green dot and we've started moving that momentum wave to the upside, which is likely to get us that move to the upside. And the likely area I'm actually targeting price to go up to, guys, would be my blue box here. Let me just extend that out a bit. So I do think that green dot on the momentum wave, being as over sold as it is, could potentially get us a move back up to the mid-range point before potentially coming back down. Because guys, if we do actually look at the weekly time frame, and I'll go to a different chart for this one, we can actually see that we are still printing that bearish divergence. And what this is where our price action is going higher, where our momentum waves are actually going lower. And this is a really strong signal that we're losing momentum to the upside and we are going to see a deeper correction. And guys, the level I have been targeting for this weekly divergence to bring us down to would be the mid-range point of this range here. Now, I'm just going to pull up a volume profile for a second. So we could even potentially come all the way down to our value area low as well of 2700 and still be in a bullish position to then make another leg to the upside. The first level I would be targeting for that bigger move down would be probably the mid-range point around these highs here, and then our value area low at around 27,200. And as well, if we do pull up our Bollinger Bands, let's go back to the shorter time frames for a second. So let's go back to the 4 hourly. So right now we are right in the middle between our Bollinger Bands. So this is not a position I would recommend getting into a trade. Right now I am currently just on the sidelines holding my position. Because with the way our momentum waves look, we could continue just to do something like this where we don't get any real big moves to the downside and price could literally just do something like that until we do get a big break up or a big breakdown. And on our pardon me guys, on our daily on our daily time frame, we are still a bit oversold, which we can see with that green dot as well. So I would potentially expect us to at least get a move up back to the mid-range point, which would also coincide with that yellow line. So right now, I'm a bit more bullish, expecting price to go up before then making a bigger move to the downside because of that weekly bearish divergence. And that's what I'm currently looking at in the market, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.